In this video, we will show you the Grand Hotel Centenari autograph collection by Marriott property, including a room tour, breakfast, rooftop bar, and all the common spaces. We are Savor and Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This hotel is located right in the heart of Valencia, about a 5-minute walk from the train station, right in the middle of the Plaza de Ayuntamiento. The hotel, opened about a year ago, is truly 5-star from start to finish. From the Prosecco when you walk in the door to check in, as well as the lovely Soul of 1927 restaurant and bar. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner there, and there's live piano music nightly until about 11 p.m. There is a continental breakfast buffet served daily from 7 to 11 a.m. with an assortment of pastries, as well as lovely cured meats, jamon iberico, local cheeses, different dried fruits, as well as you've got crackers and smoked salmon with all the accoutrement on that. Lovely fresh fruits and berries as well. You can also order directly off of the menu, a la carte. And here is the menu for you to take a look at. It did get quite busy at breakfast, so don't be in too much of a hurry while you're there. They do a lovely fresh juice as well as tea and any kind of the coffee that you could ask for. In addition to the eggs and offerings on the menu, they also brought us pan tostada with tomato and olive oil mixture. The fruit and jamon was delicious. The bar is open nightly. Food is served until 11 p.m. The bartenders were very skilled at making all kinds of fantastic craft cocktails. They had just about every liquor you could name, really anything that you wanted. They were really top-notch guys. It was fun to sit at the bar and watch them make loads of different drinks. They also had great little snackies at the bar, almonds, and they had some wasabi almonds that were fantastic. Piano bar was playing. That also got quite busy at night. We were there in February, right before the Faya celebration, so it was just ramping up. Here is the Rooftop Bar, which is open only on the weekends in the wintertime, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I believe in the rest of the year it is open every single day. But check out that gorgeous view. It's one of the best views in Valencia, I would say. It is on the 7th floor. And you're looking out right again at the Plaza de Ayuntamiento, and that's where they do all of the pyrotechnics and fireworks during the Faya celebration. So this hotel you could not get a room for during that week in March. Chairs were absolutely comfortable. The bar was open at night. They also had a little bit of live music. So really, really nice bar. I would have liked to have spent some more time out there, but it was quite chilly being February, like I said. We were very lucky to use our Marriott Bonvoy points to stay at this property. My husband and I both are members, and we each had free night certificates to use. But we were upgraded, which was very nice. We had booked each of us the Deluxe King, and we were upgraded to a premium City Hall City View room. That room would have actually cost us about 500 euros a night, which we looked up, and it actually didn't cost us anything with the points. So yay, Bonvoy on that one. The room was well appointed and absolutely lovely. I loved here in the front they had where you could manually just let the housekeeping know if you were in or if you wanted the room cleaned or do not disturb, as well. The lighting reminded me a little bit being on a cruise ship. The ceilings were super tall. I think the ceilings seriously were at least 15 feet tall in this room. It was really, really luxurious. The linens were fantastic on the bed, very comfortable. Certainly not necessarily the biggest room you'd ever see, but for Europe and for Spain, loved every second of it. Nice TV as well. Very comfortable king bed. A couple of complimentary waters as well when we first came in. Next to the bed, you have the lighting controls as well as the controls for the curtains and blackout curtains. You've got 2 European plugs as well as a USB and USB-C plug. You've got a nice sized TV as well, wardrobe with closet space on both sides. You've also got the coffee and tea station and mini bar. You've got your safe in the top drawer, as well as a few snacks in the next drawer, and of course the mini bar down below. We were able to actually take out all of the liquor from the mini bar and use it as just a fridge. The little dividers came out, so that was nice to bring some leftovers back. Just a little FYI on that one. And in the closet, you've got ample storage, lots of hangers. And of course, you've got your bathrobes down below, which are very comfortable, and laundry service should you require. And on the other side, of course, more hangers. Really, really comfortable room. I mean, we just loved every second of it. We would go back there in an absolute heartbeat. Nice size TV again. And the nice thing with the TV, even though most of the channels were in Spanish, of course, being in Spain, if you click on sort of the closed captioning, you could change it back over to English. So we were able to actually watch CSI in English, which was kind of nice. You've got your ironing board there down below. When we first came in, there was a nice handwritten note for us, being platinum members with Marriott, with some chocolates. So that made us feel very special and recognized for our status. Always love that. Thank you, Marriott. And on the other side of the bed, again, you've got 2 more sets of plugs with USB and USB-C, as well as controls for the lighting, dimming, and whatnot in the room, and a reading light. There was also a pillow menu that you could order different pillows for as well, which was different. I'd never seen sort of pillows for pregnancy and different sorts of pillows on that menu, so that was very interesting. There's our lovely view again. They were setting up for the pyrotechnics, like I stated earlier. This room and this hotel would be unbelievable to watch the fire celebrations going on. Down our little hallway here into the bathroom. Nice large bathroom. Appreciated the nice warming towel rack as well. Double sink. Everything in here was just so brand new and so luxurious. The towels were so soft. And you've got the slippers, of course, as well. Extra towels and the hairdryer, as you would expect. And you also got a vanity mirror and a couple of European plugs, of course. And there was hand soap and lotion, as well as some of the vanity kits, toothbrushes, shower cap, that sort of thing. The towel warmer was a very nice touch, and it also had a timer on it. It did take a little while to warm up, so just be cognizant of that. It wasn't sort of instantaneous. We loved the shower at this hotel. I wish every hotel would jump on this bandwagon and give you a shower that you did not have to get into to actually turn it on and control the different water pressure and temperature and that sort. It did have, which I'll show you how that works in just one second. It did come with your shower gel, shampoo, conditioners you would want. And here is the lovely control panel. It's already set to 38 degrees Celsius, which is about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, which you can pick whether you want the rain head or the wand. You can also adjust the shower temperature, of course, as well as the water pressure. And the fact that you did not have to get in, I hate when you have to get in the shower and you're getting wet before it's even warm. Really nice touch on that. That was, wow, good job on that one. Loved it. And then next to shower, of course, you've got the commode, which we appreciate that it's got a full door as well. And lastly, we come up to the gym, which is on the bottom floor. Not the largest gym I've ever seen, but hey, it gets the job done. A couple of machines, plenty of weights. And thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We are Savor in Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again on our next journey. Thank you again.